Hey everybody, it's Captain Drew Cavanaugh here from Florida Inshore Fishing Charters, and today I'm going to do a review recommendation over the Active Dishwasher Cleaner, formulated a deep clean. It's a 1-year supply, 24 tablets. It cleans, it deodorizes, it refreshes, it protects. It says it's safe for septic tanks. It's real easy to use. So basically you're just going to take out a couple of these tablets, and like all their products, it comes with a nice little thank you note for buying. I think that's cool how they take the time out of it. They're packaged well and all that good stuff, but I like a lot of stuff clean. I'm a big clean freak, so basically you're just going to throw, it says throw one in there, then I'm going to put the other one in the tablet dispenser right here. Just put that right there like that, and you're going to put it on, and it just says, let's see, it just says to put it on a normal wash cycle. So I just turn it on and hit start, and that's pretty much it. And there it is, the Active Dishwasher Cleaner from Active, 24 tablets, year supply. Highly suggest you get you some. This is the I've done this several times. It keeps my dishwasher clean. It'll keep yours clean too. Have a great day. Thank you for watching.